Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Nitric Boost Ultra before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Nitric Boost is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Nitric Boost is only sold on the official website. Given the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Nitric Boost Ultra without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left a link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Nitric Boost Ultra, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Nitric Boost has helped thousands of men, and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with powerful ingredients like L-Arginine, beetroot extract, L-Citrulline, vitamin B12, zinc, and many others. These components work together to naturally boost nitric oxide production, improve blood flow, support heart health, increase stamina, and enhance physical and mental performance. Whether you're dealing with fatigue, poor circulation, or low energy, Nitric Boost Ultra was designed to target the root cause, boosting your body's ability to deliver oxygen and nutrients more effectively. If you've been feeling a drop in performance, endurance, or confidence, Nitric Boost Ultra was made for you. No longer rely on blue pills or quick fixes that only offer temporary effects. This is a natural formula that promotes lasting results from the inside out. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Nitric Boost, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Nitric Boost Ultra for 180 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Nitric Boost Ultra to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Nitric Boost Ultra has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Nitric Boost from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Nitric Boost actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.